And then what we need, and then
and then
and then so and then and then hello there, welcome to my video which explains how to install and fit a new set of RAM. I ordered this on Amazon. It's DDR3 2 times 4 gigabytes, so that's 8 gigabytes RAM. So I'm going to show you step by step how to install the RAM. So first things first is the computer that you want to install the RAM to. We need to make sure there's no electricity running through it to avoid damage to the computer, but also to avoid damage to yourself. So I'm getting a few messages here. I'm just going to say shut down anyway. Stuff my son's got running. While that's happening, I'm going to unpack the packaging from Amazon. I ordered it yesterday through Amazon Prime. Now this is the box itself. So as you can see, it's Viper from Patriot. Now it's dual channel technology, which means that there's actually two 4 gigabyte modules in here, and that's actually faster than a single 8 gigabyte module. So that's why we've got two instead of only one. It says designed for Intel 789 platforms. I think we've got an AMD, so this may not work, but we're going to find out. Now the next step, now that the computer is shut down, you need to move your office chair away from the computer, because office chairs can cause many problems with computers. Now at the back of your computer, give me the camera. So at the back of your computer, you see you've got a button there, got a switch here. Shut up, you little geek. You see there's an on-off switch there, if I can just focus on it. I'm going to switch it off with my finger, like that. Okay, and I'm going to unplug the power cable, like that, and the other USB cables and Ethernet cables and so on, an HDMI cable. So nothing is now plugged in. So as you can see, I switched it off, I took out the power cable and unplugged all the wires. Now I'm going to undo the back of the PC with these thumb screws. Don't lose them. Put them somewhere safe. Most of your PCs will have similar setups in this. You'll have these thumb screws to easily take off the back. In some cases you might need a screwdriver, but in my case I don't need it. And then once all these four are removed, you should then be able to take this apart. This is not how you do it. So, as you can see, there's a small...
just slide it across.
Slidey. There's a small... see this here? There's a small lip. And then you just undo that.
Wrong way.
Wrong side. See? It's the wrong side.
Great start.
But I'll take that off anyway. I'll put that back on later. Now, we're going to do the other side now. It's actually transparent. In my case. It may not be in your case.
Oh yeah, in my case, but the PC case.
Oh, good pun. Good pun, yeah. No pun intended. In my case.
In my case.
Alright. He's got a little window. Look through the window. Hello. And then we put that there.
Alright, how are you going to install this?
Now, as you can see, the first step, find
the RAM slots.
the existing RAM.
It's right there.
As you can see from the mother
There it is.
board. Where?
These two sticks. Yeah, they're definitely
Oh,
RAM.
maybe it's just not connected. This one is not properly installed. So maybe that's 8 gig.
Well, we've gone ahead and got ourselves 24.
Hold on.
Yeah. Wait, put it on its side. That's way easier, isn't it?
Give me this.
Put it on its side. It's easier, isn't it?
Hold on. As you can see, because we had a problem where it was not enough. We're supposed to have 16 gig, but we only had 8 gig. Now it looks like there might be another 8 gig in there, but it's not properly connected. Okay, so now that we found the problem, which was the second module was not actually properly connected. So it must have been when they were at the factory. They didn't actually connect it properly.
Which means we've got free RAM basically, because they...
Yes, because they refunded us the money for that.
Viper, DDR3, technology,
So,
dual
if
channel.
this doesn't work, then we might still install one of those. But we probably want to have 8 gig since there's only 2 slots. So I'm just going to put on these sides without re-screwing them back at this stage. We don't know if it works yet. So I'm just going to put it in place as is. And if it works, I'll re-screw in the back.
Put these somewhere safe.
We need to reconnect the wires that we disconnected last time.
Got perfect view.
So remember the HDMI cable or your VGA cable as necessary. And that goes into my graphics card. And then we've got...
Guys, VGA to HDMI adapter, very, very useful. We'll link that as well.
Yeah, useful stuff. Very, very naughty. So I'm just plugging in the bits and pieces we need. Very, very meh.
Bruh.
Okay, so then what we need, very...
I'll just time lapse this.
And then what we need, and then...
and then...
And then, so, and then... So what we need to... And then... So now we're ready to turn it back on and try it.
Okay, let's keep our fingers crossed that it works. Because, I mean, even if it doesn't work, there's no way we'd get it to work. We'd probably only have 12...
There's no light on the keyboard.
Oh. You just have to...
Oh, there we go. So...
Mythbusters. If it doesn't work, we'll just install one of these and it'll give us 12.
Well, we'll probably complain to Amazon and say, I don't have enough slots, please send me an 8 gig. So then they'll have to... Maybe they can do a collect. Maybe they can collect that one when they bring in another one.
Well, I'll just let us keep both.
Yeah. So it'll take a little while to boot up. I'm just logging in now to check whether Windows has detected the extra 8 gigabytes of RAM. So I should have now 16 gigabytes of RAM in total. So let's see if that's...
Yay, logging into my account, yay.
Yeah, you should be able to see it in any account on the machine, so it doesn't necessarily have to be an administrator. You can see the RAM by going into system. We'll show you how to see that, to check that in a moment. So this is how to check the RAM in a Windows computer. So now that the computer has booted up successfully, it's time to actually check whether or not Windows has recognized the other 8 gigabytes of RAM, therefore giving us 16 gigabytes in total. So there's different ways of doing this. One way is to click on Windows Explorer and right click on this PC and say Properties. As you can see, it says installed memory RAM 16 gigabytes. So it's worked successfully. Another way you can check it is by looking at Task Manager. So to do that, you do Control Alt Delete, and then you click on Task Manager, and then click on the Performance tab. And as you can see, it shows 16.0 gigabytes DDR3. So, and as you can see, we're hardly using any of the memory at the moment. So what we've done has worked. So now I can put on the back. I'm now going to put on the rear screws, and I can do that safely. Or I can put again, wherever you put your screws, retrieve them from that hiding place safely. And then,
Why would you need to hide it?
well, from the grumpkins and snarks, they might be trying to steal your screws, because screws are very precious. Hear that sound, it means you've probably not got it in the hole. Last one now, so it doesn't take very long. And then carefully slide your PC back into position. And then you're ready to make full use of your 16 gigabytes RAM. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please click on the like symbol. and share it with your friends and colleagues.
Make sure you share it.
And also please subscribe, because I will do more how-to videos in the future. Thanks for watching. That's enough from me. Goodbye. Make sure it's fully shut down from the power cable before you actually take the PC box apart, because we need to actually make sure there's no electricity. You see you've got a button there, got a switch here. Shut up, you little geek. You see there's an on-off switch there, if I can just focus on it.